Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we are going to be doing another Peachy Palette review. For those of you who don't know what a Peachy Palette is, these come out once a month from Peachy Olive Glitters. You need to be following them on Facebook and on their Instagram so you can get updates on when these release, because they kind of just get dropped at random times and then you have like seconds to buy one before they sell out. These palettes are $39.99 plus shipping, and they include 5 2-ounce bags of glitter by weight. So you do get a lot of glitter. It's about $60 worth of glitter that you're getting for $39.99. So a great deal. I love to buy glitter this way. You're always getting new mixes. You're always getting new colors that you probably wouldn't have otherwise tried if you didn't get them in this pack. So let's go ahead and go over all these colors. I'm going to tell you my favorites. I'm going to show you what they look like under epoxy. I'll even show you some projects that I've made with them already. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's dive into these colors. Like I said, there are 5 custom mixes in this palette, and they're all metallic colors. So I love a good metallic. I'm gonna start with, let's start with Midas. I really love this gold. Okay, so full disclosure, I've already put these all in shakers. If you're looking for shakers, I will put a link to the ones that I like to use in the comments, because she does sell her glitter in 2-ounce bags. So normally when you get glitter from Peachy Olive Glitters, it's gonna come in these little bags. So then I transfer them into these shakers. Okay, got that out of the way. So this first color is a Midas. This is a beautiful gold, a traditional gold. I would say almost a champagne gold. Everybody loves Athena. That is a great gold, one of my favorite golds ever. But this is really pretty. This is like just all metallic gold, different cuts and, different size cuts in it. Like a champagne. Beautiful classic gold. I know this is going to be a go-to gold for me for sure. I love just a good solid classic gold. So this is beautiful. This is Midas. And then I keep saying all of these are like my favorite colors because I just love these so much. But this one, oh God, this gives me all the feels. Okay, so you guys remember when she came out with Smolder? Smolder was like a chunky charcoal silver, almost had some blue in it almost, and some gold. Beautiful, kind of like gray metallic. Jedi, this Jedi is almost like a smaller cut of Smolder, I want to say, but it is the bomb. I absolutely love a charcoal silver gray, almost gunmetal. Here is the thing here. It's a silver. Look at how pretty. Like, think of this paired up with Flynn. That chunky maroon, my Flynn. That would be pretty. This is just, I love this. Some different cuts and sizes in there. It's not really a chunky mix, but it's beautiful. All right, so that is Jedi. And then we've got War Eagle. War Eagle, I think this color is going to be huge for fall. It's got browns, it's got gold, it has orange, like a burnt orange. It's got navy blue, all different cuts and sizes. Look at that. So pretty. It almost kind of matches the vibe on my shirt. I love this War Eagle. I have some projects in mind for this one coming in fall that I think are going to be so pretty. So War Eagle, check it out. Very chunky mix, very chunky, very pretty. All right, so next is London. I love rose gold. It's my favorite kind of glitter. This one speaks to my soul. Beautiful. Beautiful rose gold glitter. It's a rosier rose gold than like rose gold opal or like the regular chunky rose gold or the chunky rose gold guac. This is like all rosy, all one metallic color. But it's almost like there's different shades, like some less rosier shades in here. So I already made something with this. The minute I saw this, I was like, I have to get this on a cup. Now it's so pretty. So I'm a huge fan of 143, which is another rose gold color that she does. This is a lot like 143. It's just chunkier. So yeah, oh my gosh, you guys. Get this one. Oh my gosh. So London, I would say probably was my favorite out of the 5. But this one really surprised me. So vintage is, this one is so pretty. Okay, so I accidentally spilled this on my garage floor a minute ago when I first tried filming this. So if there's chunks of anything in here, it's because I sweeped it up off my floor. But this is vintage. This is like a clean copper penny color, full metallic. And you have different shades of copper in here as well. And it's not too chunky. It's the same kind of size mix as Midas. So you get those same kind of cut variations, same size cuts. Look at this. Like a burnt, I wouldn't say a burnt orange. I would just say a really pretty copper. You know, really pretty copper color. Look at this. Again, another color that I think would be great for fall. And so all in all, yeah, I've got, I have vintage glitter everywhere right now. It just, I spilt it everywhere. Anyway, so these, look at these 3 colors together. So pretty. And then you've got London and Jedi. So I love all of these. These are all 5 very versatile colors that I think anyone would probably use. All these colors are going to be available at the website if you didn't have a chance to snag a palette. So keep an eye out for these. Next, we're going to get really up close and personal and see what all of these look like under epoxy. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.